Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to delete bullets word. Open your Word document to see the bullet points created. To delete normal bullets, select the text. Now click on bullets and select none there. You can check that the bullets have been deleted. After this, select the text with the number bullets. Here, click on numbering. Choose none, and as you see, the text will no longer have this bullet. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.